welcome back to my channel. Before we get started on this lovely review, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so you will be notified for the next time I post a video. Now let's get right into this review. This hair is from Tinashe, I think I'm saying that right, Tinashe Hair. And they sent me this unit. It's 24 inches. It's a 13 by 6 frontal. The unit was completely made when they sent it to me. And I give this unit a 10 out of 10. This is no lies are being told. I had this unit for 2 solid months. Maybe even longer than that. Just now doing a review on it, but now you know that I'm not lying. And as you can see it on me, you know I'm not lying how bomb this hair is. It's definitely affordable. It's very thick, and also the density of this unit is 250%. 250% of density. You can't beat that. The only thing that I use for this hair to actually lay my lace down is the Got To Be Freeze Spray. The first time I laid it down, I did use the Ghost Bond glue, but honestly I kind of got rid of that because I changed my units so many times, and I figured that if I'm not going to keep it in for long, the Ghost Bond kind of ruins my units. So I just stick to the Got To Be Freeze Spray. You can use any type of hairspray that doesn't have any type of oil in it, and this is my favorite unit to put on when I don't have any makeup on, when I do a simple look like I have on today. I have no lashes on, so this is like my favorite unit. I had showed you guys at the beginning of the video a few ways you can switch up this unit. You can wear kinky hair. Kinky hair is so much fun. Like, I actually want to crimp it and see what it looks like. I don't know if that'll be really cute, but I feel like that'll be kind of dope and different. But this hair is really nice. Like, they did their thing on this unit. And also they have other units as well that you can pick from, but this is one that I wanted to try out for so long, and I am so in love with it. I honestly fell in love with kinky straight. Like, this has turned out to be my favorite texture hair other than straight hair. And it's a get up and go hairstyle. It just gives you that extraness even when you don't want to be extra, or if you're wearing like a simple face, it just makes you glow. So I will also leave the link down below for this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.